For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the Goddess Updo. Goddess Cornrow Updo. Goddess Updo. Cornrow Goddess Locks. No. Goddess Cornrow. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I think I have the name down. So we're going to call it Goddess Braided Cornrow Updo. I think that's the name. You can skip to the end to see the hairstyle and then come to the comment and let me know what we should name this because it's kind of confusing. But anyway, so it's an updo style in a goddess format. Okay, so first things first, I've already sectioned the hair into 4. I like to start at the front and then work my way to the back. And I'm just adding some shining jam just to make it easier for me to braid, just to kind of grip the hair and make sure everything is nice and smooth. And of course, I like to start off braiding her natural hair before I start adding little bits and pieces of hair as we go along. For her hair, we're going to be doing the Ghana braiding technique to hide her natural hair inside of the braiding hair. This is gonna make sure that the hair lasts longer and that, you know, her natural hair is protected under the style. As you can see, she has a little bit of honey blonde color towards the ends of her hair, so this will also kind of do a good job at, you know, hiding her hair inside of the cornrows. But when we get to the ends, it's going to be a little bit tricky because the hair that we're adding is gonna be, it's not gonna be much towards the ends. Like her natural hair is gonna show more towards the ends than the braiding hair, because we are adding very small amounts of braiding hair to complete this look. So just kind of just hang around to the end to see what I'm, you know, what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to, you know, explain.
We're reaching for the stars. We're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So when you want to part the hair, you're going to part it straight and then you're going to curve towards the end. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So just part straight and then just kind of, you know, tilt your comb a little bit just to give it some curve going up. That's just how I kind of parted the hair throughout. And of course, I like to add the shining jam and just repeat the same process we did in the cornrow we just did the first time. Just, you know, basically repeating the same thing over and over and over again. So I'm gonna just let you guys kind of watch the tutorial, and then when we get to the part where we add some of that goddess locks in, not the goddess locks, what's wrong with me? When we get to the part where we add the goddess, you know, the curly hair towards the end, I'll come back and I'll explain, talk through that for you guys so you guys can understand that a little bit.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for does. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part
to the ends, you want to like braid it far down as possible, and then you're going to add some of that curly hair. I like to add 2 pieces of hair and then just kind of braid it all the way down until I can cover as much of that straight hair as possible. This is kind of like the same technique we did for the goddess box braid look, except for we're just going to be doing it for the braided updo look. You know, just adding bits and pieces of that curly hair at the end, just on the ends only, just so you can get that, you know, nice goddess feel at the bottom. I think this is a very cute style to add just to add personality to a standard hairstyle. So it just kind of elevates the hairstyle a little bit, you know, takes it up a couple notches. So when you get to the end, you want to create a little bit of a knot. Do not pull the knots yet, just take some glue. I just add like literally a dot of glue. I just take my Gorilla super glue and just put like a dot, and after I put that dot in there, I just pull the string to create the knot. And after you've created your knot, you just want to take a pair of scissors and cut off all the straight hairs hanging loose that's left. I know a lot of you guys are saying, oh, just curl the ends with rods and all that stuff, but I don't want to curl them with rods because I don't know how the hair, the curly hair is going to hold up in hot water, and I really like the carefree loose curl, and I don't want it to be too defined, so I just leave it as it is. I know the hair is you're not going to be able to dip the ends in hot water, but I'll show you guys what I did to kind of loosen it up a little bit. But anyway, so taking a pair of scissors, I just cut off some stray hairs that are hanging loose. And then don't forget to trim the ends of the hair for the curly ends, just to make sure that there are no knots or stray hairs hanging, you know, awkwardly. And then I take my mousse just to kind of slick down her hair and on top of the braid, so that way her natural hair is not sticking out. And I take a towel, like I've already damped the towel to make sure it's not dripping hot water, and I'm just going to be using that to coat the hair. What this is going to do is like loosen the braids up a little bit. That steam coming from the towel is just going to make sure that the braids is not as, you know, stiff as it is. But yeah, that's really all you have to do. And then of course just kind of take the braids to round the ponytail area, just to give it, you know, a nice cute touch. But that's really it. This tutorial was super quick, super easy. But this hairstyle did take a while though, I'm not gonna lie. It took a while for us to complete. But yeah, I just slicked down her baby hairs and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know what we should call it in the comment below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.
But we're making